them in a tree there. Come on.
They're a little bit more timid.
They're babies. That's their babies.
Mm.
Mum and Dad's babies. There we go. Here comes Mum. And there's daughter. What do you reckon?
Mm.
Here we go. And there's oh, look at the intensity of that.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. We've never been able to get this close.
Not the kingies. He has got a pretty head, that one.
Oh. He's almost got like a navy blue ring between the orange and the green. You can see there's a bit of navy blue there. Pretty colours.
This one here is a juvenile.
One on the left?
Yeah, that's probably the female because it doesn't have the...
young female.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know the males have got the orange hoods. They've never let us get this close before.
Like I said, kingies are very, very timid. I've seen that time and time again.
But look at that.
That's why I think they're young, because they're a little bit stupid. A little bit more daring.
I think they're hungry.
Very hungry, yeah.
Yeah. Go on. I think that's Mum telling daughter to wait a turn.